What is Forex? The history and essence of the market. If you're here to truly understand the Forex market, this is the place to start. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global market for currency exchange. It has no central hub. All transactions go through banks, funds, hedge managers, corporations, and of course, traders like you and me. The volume? Over $6 trillion a day. No joke. That's more than all the stock markets in the world combined. Where did it all start? In the beginning, currencies were exchanged under the gold standard. But in 1971, the US cancelled the dollar's gold backing. That moment launched a new era, the era of floating exchange rates. This is how Forex, as we know it, was born. A market where prices are formed freely, based on supply, demand, and global events. Who trades on Forex? Central banks, to manage their economies. Commercial banks and funds, to move capital. Corporations, to hedge risks. Traders and investors, to profit from price swings. As a retail trader, you're just one of the players in this massive ecosystem. Not above it, not below it. But if you understand the rules, you can take your share. What drives the market? Macroeconomics, interest rates, inflation, GDP. Geopolitics, wars, elections, central bank statements. Market expectations. The market moves ahead of the news. Technical analysis, levels, zones, liquidity, where the crowd isn't looking. What you need to realize, Forex is not a get-rich-quick button, it's a tool. Just like a surgeon works with a scalpel, a trader works with the chart. Your profits aren't luck. They come from understanding, discipline, and execution.